let's test this guy out and see if it's gonna start going haywire again. So we connected it. I'm opening a TV which already has a game. Give me a second, I'm gonna pause for a second here. Yeah. Alright, so we have the game. Let's go into game mode and see what happens. Until now, no craziness seems to be happening. Like at the start of this video, things were just going crazy. The L1, R1, L2, R2 buttons were just going crazy, and the X, square, triangle, circle buttons were being pressed randomly. And until now, nothing significant is happening. So let's go to play now. There you go. A little out of focus. Let's start the game. Pick the side. So if you remember, we were on this screen and things were just going crazy. Right now, nothing seems to be happening. So it looks like things got fixed. I just plugged in the controller because it's about to lose power, and again, nothing bad seems to be happening here. The D-pad seems to be working fine, the analog's fine, nothing's being pressed like crazy on its own. So like you can see, everything seems to be going really well. So all it needed was a cleaning. So if you have a controller that's going haywire out of nowhere, that's your main issue. As long as it's not the analog, as long as the controller isn't moving by itself. Like for example, the players here in this case, let's say you're playing a sports game, or even let's say a Call of Duty, the gun's not going crazy, aiming on its own, or the character moving on his own, you should be fine by just giving it a good cleaning like I showed you, with some rubbing alcohol, a Q-tip, a cloth, and like I said, a little piece of paper to add some thickness to that sponge material to get a better connection. So that's my video for today.